2020 Lexus NX. With less than 63,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. We'll help you find exactly what you're looking for.